is Heather from HeatherBCo. I am coming at you today with another video about how I store all of my kits using the Simply Gilded large sticker books. So I actually have 4 right here that have nothing but kits in them. They're all pretty thick except for this top one right here. But let me go ahead and kind of go through and show you what my organization thoughts are for using these. I love these albums. I actually have several. I think I have like 4 or 5 that are still empty. I did a video on the Disney ones that I use the white ones for all my Disney stickers. As of right now, I have 3 white ones that have just Disney stuff in it. This is all of my other kits. So let me go ahead and get started with this one. So this is actually not a sticker book, so to speak, that like she's been releasing in the past few months. This was a pouch that is a sticker book that came in one of the boxes, one of the sub boxes. I'm not sure which one it was, but it's real like a flappy kind of soft vegan leather. Of course, you know, it's got the heart right here. And so what I use this for is all of my Simply Gilded kits that come in the sub boxes. Let me move you over just a little bit. Here we go. So I have all of my kits. I do use these kits. I have so many kits that I just kind of sit every week and go through and see what I want to use. And so as I open a spot, when a new box comes in, I just fill that spot up. And there we go. We're at the last one that we just got, which was the iridescent ink. So this is all my Simply Gilded kits that I get. And then in the back, there's this pocket. So I keep all of the little samplers that we get whenever you place orders with Simply Gilded. Those are all back here. And I also keep all of my seals. And you can tell I have quite a collection. I've got lots and lots, but all the seals that come in the kits, or if we get like a little freebie or whatever, I keep all of those back here as well too. So all of my Simply Gilded stickers are in one little sticker binder or sticker book right here. I do keep like all of the extra like icon stickers that we get now and the date dots. I keep those in my other storage so that I don't forget to use them. But this is kits, all of my Simply Gilded kits. So my next one is, I have this pink one with gold hardware and it's a thickum. And then this is like all of my like just everyday kits. So these are kits that just can be used at any time. I just like to keep all of these going in here so that if I don't need a seasonal kit or anything specific, so to speak, I just come to this one. Ooh, that's coming out. And once I pull a kit, as I print or get a new kit, I just fill it in the empty spot. And so here we go. A lot of these are just full boxes. And then I have this. This was the, I believe, Cyber Monday kit. And I just kept it with the wiggle and everything all together because I'll use all that all together. Of course, you have the pocket on this one. I don't use the pocket for this, but this is just my everyday kits for when I don't want something specific. And it's so thick, I do have to kind of help it close a little bit. Like I kind of have to push down, but that's all right. Let me see. My next one is this very pretty, like kind of pearl looking kit. It's got, not kit, sticker book. It's got gold hardware. And when you open it up, this is all going to be like spring and summer. And all these kits for like the springtime, summertime. It just helps me keep them. Like I know that right now I'm not digging through this one. I'm only digging through like my winter sticker book so that this just stays on my bookshelf, and when I'm ready for spring kits, I just grab this and I'm good to go. The last one I have is the Buffalo Plaid, and this just speaks winter to me. Now this one's pretty empty because we're in the winter season. I did all of my Christmas kits in here. So this was really full a few weeks ago, but we're past Christmas. We're in January, actually February almost. So it's actually pretty empty because I've been using kits out of this. You know, as the year goes on this year, you know, like in the spring, or I'm sorry, in the fall when they start pumping out more winter kits and stuff like that, this will get really thick. So I just have a few kits. You can see I've been using a lot in here because there's a lot of empty spaces. But these are just all the leftover winter kits that I have. So that's how I use all of the sticker books to go ahead and try to keep all of my kits organized. They go on a shelf. Ooh, let me scooch it over so you can see. Sorry. They go on my shelf. And so I know exactly what color to pull depending on what kit that I want to use. Or if I want to just kind of thumb through and figure out what kit I want, again, I know which color to pull because of the way I have them organized. So I appreciate you watching. I hope that this has inspired you to use some of these because I think that these are a great product from Simply Gilded. I will go through some of my other sticker storage. Oh, I do have one more. Let me show you that one. Let me get these out of the way. I forgot about this one. So this is a pink one again with the gold hardware, but I keep this one in my little Michael's cart with all of my other stickers. So in this one, I keep all of the stuff that is printed that needs to be foiled. You know, I print stuff out with my laser printer, but I don't foil it. There we go. Sorry. Until I need it so that I print it the exact color that I want. You know, I don't want to have a million sheets of things foiled in colors that I'm not going to use that often. So as I need things, I just pull from here. So everything, again, everything in here is just so displayed, so nice and neat. I just grab what I want. And that is my last one. So again, I appreciate you watching. I hope you got some ideas on how to organize some of your stickers a little bit. I will do a video on some of my other sticker storage. It's kind of a disaster right now, but I will do that soon, hopefully. So again, I appreciate you watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.